we got a case of Show of Force by Shogun. This really caught my eye when I saw a video of it, and definitely wanted to pick this up. 15 shots, and the performance on it here is a Thunderer's display of very large, full powerful breaks, which alternate between angled V patterns and straight up single shot shells. The 15 multicolor long hanging palm, brocade, and willow bombards work together as a team to exhibit the potency of this aerial force. And we got the, I don't know if you guys can, here we go, titanium gold willow and purple star and gold strobe star, brocade palm and blue and silver peony, titanium gold willow and green star and red strobe peony, brocade palm and lemon and aqua peony, brocade palm and purple and green strobe peony, and titanium gold willow and green strobe and crackling, I want to say peony. Alright, then they got the kind of a little bit of a rating system here. We got the fan spread 30 degrees. You got crackle, break, and strobe. You got red, blue, lemon, green, purple, and gold. And the break size is hard. Obviously, they're going to rate it high. And we got the rating system here for the shots. You got 15, obviously. You got duration is about between 30 to 35 seconds. And volume, I don't know what that is, but it's close to 100. Alright, so I like that little bit of rating system they got going. Obviously, with each company, they're going to kind of toot their own horn with these rating systems, but yeah, it's kind of fun to read them. Anyways. Okay, we got Show of Force by Shogun. Very, very nice cake. New for 2018. God. Damn, it's hard. Wow. Yeah, this cake hits. Nice.